Question: how long does it take to go through the Panama Canal locks? So it is 1500 or 3 p.m. ng hapon at ito ang aming schedule na tatawid o magta-transit sa Panama Canal. So from the Atlantic side, ang unang kanal na aming dadaanan ay ang Gatun Locks. The Gatun Locks has 3 steps or pairs of chambers. May isa sa Pedro Miguel and dalawa sa Miraflores. So total, meron silang 3 locks, making it a 6 pairs or 12 chambers. Question: how long does it take to go through the Panama Canal locks? Approximately 8 to 10 hours. Pero by experience, the worst scenario na aking na-experience is about 13 hours kasi nagpondo pa kami sa gitna dahil sa foggy situation. But average is 8 to 10 hours only. Ang Panama Canal locks po can lift the ships of up to 26 meters. Imagine mo yan. At ibababa rin ulit 26 meters. Alam nyo ba na ang gamit na tubig dito sa mga locks na to ay fresh water coming from their river basin. Sea water would have been costly to pump and the salt content could have damaged the sluice gate mechanisms and affected the aquifers. And one thing more po, ang Gatun Lake is the world's largest artificial lakes. Alam nyo na. Ang tanong, how much do ships pay to cross the Panama Canal? Well, normally, container ship transits cost somewhere between 60,000 to 300,000. At ito pa, with the continued congestion conflated by drought and low water, an auction system allows some ships to buy their way to the front of the line at the canal. Meaning, pag nanalo ka sa auction, mauuna ka sa pila pa-transit sa kanal. Alam nyo ba ngayon, ang daming nakapila dahil nga very low water or drought season. So wala masyadong fresh water ang artificial lake sa Panama Canal. So ang nangyayari, paunahan ang tawid. So the bigger the pay, mauuna ka. Yeah. So base sa datos noong September 28, 2023, ships is waiting between 6 and 15 days just to pass the Panama Canal. So the Panama is currently suffering a prolonged drought that began in early 2023 and has not let up. So last October 2023, rainfall was 43% lower than the average levels, making it the driest October since the 1950s. For the area around the canal, 2023 was one of the driest 2 years since record keeping began in the country. So matanong nyo, what was the reason the Panama Canal was built? Well, the Panama Canal is a 50-mile man-made canal cutting through the Isthmus of Panama that connects the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. It was constructed by the United States in order to find a waterway route between the two oceans. Let me give you 8 facts about the Panama Canal. It's a shortcut between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. It's over 100 years old. Construction cost over 25,000 lives. Dami, no? It's considered one of the man-made wonders of the world. Over 1 million vessels have transited the canal since it opened. $2 billion in tolls are collected annually. Grabe! The Panama Canal was expanded for bigger ships in 2016. How you can visit the Panama Canal? Well, many ocean cruise lines offer increasingly popular Panama Canal itineraries that sail through the canal in the approximately 8-hour passage to their destination in the opposite ocean. So ang tanong, ilang years ba ginawa ang Panama Canal? Well, it took them 10 years. In 1914, the Panama Canal opens after 10 years of construction, connecting the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean. So, eto na po, nandito na po kami sa Miraflores Lock. Natapos na kami sa Gatun Locks at malapit na kami dito or nandito na almost sa Pacific side. On our way out na po sa last lock ng Panama Canal. Alam nyo ba na around $375 million was the cost of building the Panama Canal, including the $10 million paid to Panama and the $40 million paid to the French company. It was the single most expensive construction project in United States history to that time. So going back, at habang hinihintay namin ang mga locks na mapuno ang tubig, well, ang tubig pala lifting the ship or bringing it down using the fresh water will only take like 10 minutes. Napakabilis. Ang bilis ng bomba nila. Napakabilis magsipsip at magbuga ng tubig. So at this moment, nasa exit na kami ng Miraflores Lake. And finally po, after 9 long hours dito sa transit, nandito na kami sa Pacific side. Naitawid na namin ang aming barko. Sa harap nyo po, makikita nyo ang iconic bridge ng Balboa, Panama. So on the right side are the green buoys and on the left is the red buoys. So eto na po ang senyales na papalabas na po kami sa channel and on our way to our next port sa Guayaquil, Ecuador. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa aking munting kwento dito sa tawid namin sa Panama Canal. So, we are very happy at Pacific side na kami. See you na lang po sa Guayaquil, Ecuador. Ciao!